Hi everybody, welcome back to my Gingham Farm project. This is a design team project for Country Craft Creations, and we have done 3 projects. They're all related, and we're doing the final project now. Last time around we finished the inside except for a little embellishing, and I've gone ahead and done the base mats for the cover. So let me just give you measurements. So you'll need 2 mats that are 8 3/4 by 6 1/4, one for the front, one for the back, and I used this pretty green on the front and the black flowers on the back. As you can see, I've placed a piece of seam binding underneath the spine mat, long enough to come to the sides and tie. Of course, you can use whatever closure you like. And then this is going to be 8 3/4 by 1 1/4 on the spine. Okay, and that is all I did while you were away. And then I did pick out a few things. So what I think I'm going to do is put this chipboard that says home on the top, and then I'm putting on the bottom left corner the one that says this is our happy place. And I'm not doing flowers and things because that would make the book not terribly practical. And then I'm going to use these little houses like this. Okay, can you see that? And I'm just looking, pulling out some other things just in case there's something else I want to use. I think that's it though, at least for the outside front cover. I still have these little brads and I've only used one of them. We'll see, we might use those on tags or something on the inside, but this is definitely what I want to do here. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down. These are adhesive, these chipboards, but I think I'll use a little extra glue with them. Okay. We can see. There we go. Just make sure it's straight. There's that. Okay. And then just, all right, you may remember this ephemera from when we did the other book, or that we did a bullet journal and we did a Bible study case. So I'm just going to pull these out and see if there's anything that we want to use. I don't want to, like I said, I'm limiting the embellishments here because this is meant to be a book that you're using a lot. And that's kind of cute. Gonna find a spot for that somewhere, if not in this project, in another one. Okay, so if we open this up, now this band could probably benefit from something. Kind of like that, except it doesn't show very well. Could double mat it, that's a possibility. And let's see. I liked this when we had it before. I was looking at it before. Let's, if you remember, we have this space down here. I don't think so though. You know what? This might look good just there. I like that. And I'm wondering if I mat this on some black, then it could just be a little tuck. I don't know though, I think I may just glue it in. I think I will. Okay. I like that. And there's still room for a picture or some notes or something above it. Okay, there's that. That's good. And I still want something here to balance off this. Oh, perfect. Look at that. That is perfect. Okay. Hang on. You probably can't even see that. That. Okay, that's probably enough for there. Let's tie that. And I wonder, maybe just a little tag here. This is nice, but I'll use that, but it's too big for there. Just a house? Yeah, let's just use that house. That's good. I just wanted to break up all this text. Go. Good. Okay, I don't think we need anything else here. And there's already an awful lot going on here. I don't see that anything we add is going to help this situation. That's pretty. And I'm just going to glue down a little bit of it so you can put a picture or something under it. Okay. That's good. Okay, so we have that like that, and we could tuck a little tag in there. I don't know, we need this little cow. Every time I look at it, I'm like, or it's a bull actually. Why? I'm not sure why it's there. It's kind of a strange piece of ephemera. Oop. You know what? We'll take our little map here. There. Okay. And then this one, we could do something similar. Maybe this one that says charm. Sure one. Oh wait, what do we got here? Yep, charm. go like that. And let's see. What shall we tuck in there? We might have to make a little tag for that spot. Oh, we have this little guy. Just good match in color. That'll do for now. And then here, let's see, do we want to put that there? I do like this a lot, but if I put it there, either you're gonna have to put a picture on top of it, or it's gonna render this to be a much smaller mat. I don't remember, we were talking about maybe something here. If we put that, and let's see. Nope. Got the stickers here. Just run that. I think maybe just that right there. As I like it and I want to use it, and that's a good spot for it. Okay. That. And then, see, I don't think I need to put anything under there. I kind of still feel like this looks awfully plain, but I don't want to take too much away from it. Maybe this. There we go. That. All right. I'm not doing, inserts and stuff because, well, I might. There's room in this pocket, except I kind of want to leave these pockets for things that you would pick up in the course of your project. I think I'm going to leave it for now. I may come back to it, but I think I am going to call this done. All right, let's tie this. Now you could tie this, I left this really long, so it could either be tied right on the front like this, or it could be tied on the side. And I think I'm going to tie mine on the side. No, I kind of like it on the front. Let's tie it on the front for now. There we go. Okay, there we go. All right, let's clean up and do just one last little walkthrough. All right, so this is our home project book. using Gingham Farm. Again, you can get everything you need at Country Craft Creations, and I will link it down below. And we've just got our little chipboards on the cover. We have our large waterfall, and we have our double flips. We have our swatch insert. We have pockets here and under there, little tuck spots, a large photo, and a notebook for writing in while working on your project. So that is the project book, home project book. And of course you could make this anything you wanted, but that's what this one is. And then we also made a bullet journal using the same collection. We covered a Leuchtturm book that was purchased, and I will link that in the description below. Everything else, of course, is from Country Craft Creations. And we have covered the book. We have added a pocket and some decoration, washi tape on the edges of some of the pages to denote different areas. And we've set up a couple of months, July and August. So that was our bullet journal project. Okay, and then we made, and I still have to trim this ribbon, it's so long, our Bible study, like our case cover. And again, this one also ties on the side. And it opens up, and you have a notebook that we decorated on the inside cover to take notes, sermon notes or Bible study notes. And then there's a sleeve that holds your Bible. And we made some little bookmarks to put in the Bible. And that's really all there was to this project. It's a very simple little project. And there's the inside sleeve that holds the Bible. So that is our 3, and of course this was intended, like I said, for a Bible study, but it could certainly be whatever purpose you want to use it for. You could put any book you like in it, and of course whatever your particular holy book is. All right, so there's that one. So we have 1, 2, 3 projects from Gingham Farm by My Mind's Eye. It's really beautiful, and I hope that you'll make one of these projects. And let me know if you need any help. Just comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer any questions that you might have. And again, you can get all the supplies at Country Craft Creation to make all of these projects. It's linen and black cardstock, artisan cardstock, and we used the chipboards, we used stickers, we used some of the brads. We've got seam binding here, this pretty ribbon. All of this is from Country Craft Creations. And I guess that is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these projects. I know they're a little bit different, but I enjoyed them, and I hope you do too. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next project, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.